students, class 10 example sum 6.31. From the top of 12 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 30 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So here the tower is the taller one because from the building here we have the angle of elevation, so clearly the height, the tallest one is tower, and here we take it as the height of the building. From the top of 12 meter high building, that is, take it as AB, right? The angle of elevation is, this is the horizontal line. The horizontal lines above is angle of elevation, that is 60 degree, and then the angle of depression of its foot, the foot of the tower, angle of depression is below the horizontal line, that is 30 degree. Then determine the height of the tower. So AB, let me take it as CDE. See, AB is equal to 12 means this is horizontal line, so these two are parallel, so this is also 12. Now let me take it as the total height of CD is equal to H, and then unknown CE, let me take it as X. Let me explain here. Let AB and CD be the height of building and cable tower respectively, right? Then that AB is equal to 12 meter and also ED is also 12 meter, right? We don't know the distance of BD. Here BD is equal to AE. BD is equal to AE. Both are equal distance, and then let me take it as CE is equal to X, and then total distance CD is equal to H. H is nothing but X plus 12. The height of the tower is nothing but height of X and the height of the building, right? X plus 12 is the total height of the tower. So first I choose the triangle. See, here we have the triangle. This is AED, a triangle AED. So I draw here the triangle. This is A, this is E, this is D, this is 30 degree, this is 12, that AE. See, opposite divided by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Here theta is given as 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to angles opposite is, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So opposite side is 12 and the adjacent side, let me take it as AE. Tan 30, we have now the value 1 by root 3 is equal to 12 by AE. I take this AE to another side. AE is equal to 12 and root 3 will be multiple. Plus take AE to another side, root 3 to right hand side. So AE is equal to 12 root 3. Then in triangle, I take the triangle AEC. See, the triangle of AEC is like this. This is A angle 60 degree, AEC. This is X. From the triangle, here we have this triangle AEC angle 60 and X. Here also the same, tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite divided by adjacent. Here tan 60 degrees is equal to the opposite side is X and the adjacent side is AE. Tan 60, we know the value, root 3 is equal to X divided by AE. Here I am going to find the value of AE. I take this AE to this side and root 3 to another side. So AE is equal to X divided by root 3. Let me take it as equation number 2. See, from the first and the second equation, AE is common, right? So first term is equal to second term. First equation is equal to second equation. From the first and second equation, x by root 3 is equal to 12 root 3. Here x is equal to 12 root 3 into root 3. X is equal to 12 root 3 into 3 is 3. 12 into 3, x is equal to 36 meter. Now here h is equal to x plus 12. See, the total height of the tower h is equal to x plus 12. That x and then this 12. So x we have found out, that is 36. 36 plus 12 is equal to 48 meter. Therefore, the height of cable tower is 48 meter. Thank you, students.